the TL's navigation system is highly sophisticated, it's very easy to use. Although the TL's navigation system is highly sophisticated, it's very easy to use. The system's voice recognition controls are located on the left side of the steering wheel, with touchscreen LCD display and joystick located on the center instrument panel. To use the navigation system, first start the car. After the startup screen appears, touch the OK icon on the screen to acknowledge the disclaimer and begin using the navigation system. Once this is done, the vehicle's position is automatically shown on the map screen. The system is now ready to use. There are two main ways to search for a destination: through touchscreen or by simply using voice commands. Most of the voice commands work only from the map screen, and they are the quickest and most simple way to use the vehicle's many systems and help reduce driver distraction. To use the voice recognition system properly, be sure to minimize any noises inside or outside the vehicle. The windows and moonroof should all be closed, while the fan speed should be set no higher than 2, and vents should be directed away from the microphone. Now, press and release the talk button on the left side of the steering wheel. Wait for the beep, and then speak clearly in a normal tone of voice. From the map screen, you can search for many destinations by using the touch screen, or you can say, Display Menu. The system will then bring up the available options to search for your destination. When speaking a pre-programmed voice command, it's important to use the correct command. For example, the system may not understand the command fast food, but will easily understand find nearest fast food restaurant. A list of common commands can be found in the navigation system manual, or simply by saying voice command help. One of the most common searches a driver is likely to use is find a street address. Begin by pressing and releasing the talk button, then say menu. Press and release the talk button again and say address. This will bring up a menu that gives you the option of entering the address by either city or street. Press and release the talk button and say city or say street. If you have entered the city name, the system will generate a list of possible matches for that city name. When you find the city you're looking for, press and release the talk button and say the number of the matching entry. Now the system will prompt you to select a street. Follow the same steps as when selecting a city. Press and release the talk button and say the name of the street. For example, say Elm for Elm Street. It is not necessary to say street, avenue, or boulevard. You can also use the spell mode here to enter the street name letter by simply saying change to spell mode. Once you've entered the name of the street, the system will generate a list of possible matches listed by number. Press and release the talk button and say the number of the matching entry to select it. For the final step, press and release the talk button and say the street number of the desired address. Be sure to say each number individually. For example, instead of 12, 34, 5, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once confirmed, the system will ask if you want it to calculate a route to this new destination. Answer by pressing and releasing the talk button and saying OK. When searching for an address using voice commands, it is recommended to search by entering the street name first for the optimum results. If the address appears in more than one city, the system will display these choices so the user can select the correct city. The touchscreen can also be used to search for destinations manually and to move between different screens. To navigate within a menu or from one menu to another, look for the prompts that might appear on the screen. These visual cues indicate how you can maneuver through the menus by using the touchscreen. You can change the system's default settings by pressing the Setup button to the left of the joystick. Other buttons used for the navigation system include Map Guide to display the map or guidance screen,